Welcome to our video on how to submit GPS flags and referrals. Please pause to follow along as needed. In this video, you will learn how to log in, find students, and submit flags and referrals for students using GPS. First, let's show you how to log in. From the SMC website, select Login. Select GPS and enter your SMC login credentials. Now, let's show you how to find students. When you log into GPS, you will see a search box in the upper right. There, you can enter the letter S followed by the student ID number. You can also search by student names. Now, let's show you how to submit flags and referrals. Select a student, then click Flags in the upper left. From the drop-down, you can select a flag to raise. You can also select Referrals in the upper left. From the drop-down list, you can refer the student for loan or Chromebooks, tutoring, counseling, and more. Enter a comment and click Save, and you're all set. Thank you for using GPS to support student persistence and success. Send us an email or visit our website if you have any questions.